Today we will be covering lesson 27-1. This will be split into 4 separate sections. We're going to cover questions 1, questions 2 and 3, questions 6 through 7, and then we will round out with questions 8 and 9. Let's go ahead and start by taking a look at the introduction. The lesson covers equations of a circle. Circles on a coordinate plane. How can you find the path of a windmill? How can the path of a windmill be described mathematically? Suppose the coordinate plane is positioned so that the center of the windmill's face is at the origin. Show that the points given in the diagram are on the circle by showing that the coordinates of the points satisfy the equation given for the circle. First, we have the circle equation to say x squared plus y squared equals 4. And it gives us 2 points on that circle, 0, -2, and 1 square root of 3. So we want to show that these points are satisfied by the equation. So we're going to plug these in. Recall that the point ordered pair is x, y. So we're going to try in 1, square root of 3. And recall that this is x, y. So I'm going to plug it into this equation. 1 squared plus the square root of 3 squared. And we want to know if this equals 4. This is questionable right now. Well, 1 squared is 1. The square root of 3 squared would be the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. And I want to know, does that equal 4? Yes, 1 plus 3 does indeed equal 4. So this checks out. So this ordered pair is on this equation, or satisfied by that equation. Let's try the ordered pair 0, -2. Now recall that the 0 is your x, and the -2 is your y. So we're going to say 0 squared plus -2 squared. And I want to know if this equals 4. Well, 0 to the second power is 0. -2 to the second power is 4. And so I have to ask myself, is 0 plus 4 equal to 4? Yes. This equation is true. So 0, -2 is indeed on the circle. Let's take a look at 1b. 1b says x squared plus y squared equals 36. And it gives us 2 points. It gives us -5 square root 11 and 6, 0. We're going to do -5 squared plus the square root of 11 squared. And I want to know if this equals 36. Well, -5 to the second power is positive 25. And square root of 11 to the second power is 11. And does that equal 36? Yes, 25 plus 11 does indeed equal 36. So this this point is indeed satisfied by that equation. Let's take a look at 6, 0. So we've got 6 squared plus 0 squared. And we're trying to find out, will this equal 36? Well, 6 to the second power is 36. 0 to the second power is 0. And 36 plus 0 does indeed equal 36. So that ordered pair checks out. Now on to the next set of questions.